Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 34 Health Today. In this chapter, we'll see some medical conditions which are so common today that we all see almost every day in our life. The first one is indigestion. This is a discomfort in the stomach as a result of having digestion problems. Next one that you can see on the screen is anemia. Someone having less red blood cells or hemoglobin is said to have anemia. Now comes Alzheimer's disease. This is a mental deterioration. It occurs in the middle or old age. Now comes dengue. This is a flu like illness spread by mosquito bite in the middle or old age. Now is hypertension that we see most common in today's life, often brought on by stress or commonly called high blood pressure. A person having this disease must lower his or her intake of salt, यानी कि नमक कम खाना चाहिए. Now comes myopia. Those who cannot see distant objects are said to have myopia. Next is leukemia, an abnormal disease increase in white blood cells causes this disease leukemia. Now is malaria. This is transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. This disease can be prevented by using the drug chloroquine. Now is hypochondria. A person who always imagines he or she is unwell is suffering from this disease hypochondria. यानी कि हमेशा सोचते रहना कि मेरा तबीयत खराब है, इसको हम लोग हाइपोकॉन्ड्रिया बोलते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इज डायबिटीज. इफ यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू ईट स्वीट एंड इन सम केसेस रिक्वायर्स इंजेक्शन और इंसुलिन, यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज डायबिटीज. अगर हम लोगों का बॉडी में इंसुलिन सिक्रीट होना बंद हो जाता है या कम हो जाता है तो जो डिजीज होता है हम लोग को, उसको हम लोग डायबिटीज बोलते हैं. एंड वी कॉमनली कॉल इट एज शुगर. Now we'll identify some disorders. The first one is bulimia. This is an emotional disorder when a person first overeats and then crash diets or induces vomiting so as not to gain the calories from the eaten food. इसको हम लोग बुलीमिया बोलते हैं. Next one is dyslexia. This is a disorder that disables a person from reading or understanding letters, words and symbols. यहाँ पर हम लोगों को letters, symbols, words को identify करना मुश्किल होता है. Next is anorexia. A lack of desire for food could be caused by an emotional desire to lose weight. And this is seen most common in today's era. Next one is Down syndrome. This is a congenital disorder causing intellectual impairment and physical abnormalities. And the last one is autism. This is a brain development disorder that impairs social interaction and causes restricted and repetitive behavior. Hope you all have got the answers for the chapter and understood the same. So thank you everyone. Thank you for the day.